Come on into my kitchen. I'm gonna make this easy boiled egg and ramen noodle in one pot. This is what you're gonna need, you guys. You're gonna use a seasoning that's in the ramen noodle package. You're gonna boil those noodles as per the instructions on the back. And we're going to, once the noodles get to boiling, we're gonna crack those raw eggs in the pot. And don't mix it, just let the raw eggs stay in its form in the noodles. Turn the noodles off and let it continue to cook in the hot water. And voila, this is what you have. Oh yeah, a good old nice boiled egg with your noodles. Don't you love you some egg noodles? Well, this is how you get it, the ramen noodle way.